Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So today in this video, I'm discussing about the question number 19 from textbook Introduction to Management Science. And this question says Better Products Inc. manufactures 3 products on 2 machines. In a typical week, 40 hours are available on each machine. The profit contribution and production time in hours per unit are as follows. So now they have provided a table and which serves as a constants in our question. So here in this table we have category column, then product 1, product 2 and product 3. Then further divided in this table we have uh, the rows which are for machine 1, then profit per unit and machine 2. So now here in this paragraph, they have provided again constraints that we need to create using formulation, and this also be required in the formulation. Then we have 4 parts in this question, and each part is different from one another. So now for part A, part B, part C, and part D, I already solved it using Excel solver and formulas. So let me go back to the Excel file. So here, this is our formulation sheet where we have defined variables, which is P1 for units of product 1, then P2 units for product 2, and P3 which is units for product 3. Now our goal is to maximize, and these all are the values which I have taken from the question itself, and these all are constants which again question taken from the question, the table that was provided. So I grabbed that all one here. So this sheet is the formulation sheet. Now this answer report 1 and on sensitivity report and limits report, they are already created using Excel solver. So our goal is to create the objective. So here for row 3, these 3 are changing variables. Then as discussed in the question, these all are constants. This is for machine 1, this is for machine 2, then this one is our labor, then maximum P1 and maximum P3. So these all are constants. So in all 5 constants, then is defined already in the question. Our goal is to maximize. So this one is our maximum variables and the values. Now our objective is 1250, which is obtained using Excel solver based on these constraints. Now for part B, we have how many hours of production time will be scheduled. So this is the machine hours schedule as mentioned in the question itself. So 31.25 for machine 1 and 37.5 for machine 2. Machine 3, so for each machines, these all are 2 machines, so I have divided here. Then for part C, what is the value of additional hour of labor? So we have used Excel solver, and in the sensitivity report and other reports we get 12.50 as a schedule price. So this would be our additional hour of labor. So this value is kept from this one, the sensitivity report. Here is the shadow price. All are, this one is 12.5. And for part D, again, I rerun the solver with the value 120. So now our final value is 1440. So this is actually a solver setup for all the sheets and the other sheets for formulation. So all these are, I've used Excel solver and Excel formulas to to grab my results. So to get this Excel file, you can request me over email address and WhatsApp. Both of the details I will be sharing you shortly in the description part of this video. So you can reach me out anytime, or maybe if you need any help from other questions of this textbook, then definitely you can reach me out. And of course, if you are having some exams and quiz, definitely you can take help from me for that one as well. So I provide complete solutions. A lot of students is asking me about um, how I mean in the exam how we can go. So I mean it's upon us how we can maybe the exam it's live exam, or maybe if you need some more time to get the results and then you can upload it, that would be also fine. So both of the cases I mean I can help you in. And as per my past reviews, all students are really happy about my work, and they appreciate me. So this is my past reviews, but yeah, I will definitely help you out too as well. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. So thank you for everything, and have a great day. Take care, and we'll talk soon for your question. So thank you and have a great day. Bye.